Welcome, everyone. Today, we'll unravel the fascinating journey of artificial intelligence, from raw data to intelligent decisions. By breaking down the AI process into simple, digestible steps, we aim to make even the most complex ideas accessible to all. Let's dive in. Here's our roadmap for today. We'll cover 7 essential steps in the AI process, explore its impact, and share examples, quotes, and success stories to bring these concepts to life. Let's start with AI's role in shaping the future. AI has redefined innovation, from revolutionizing industries to enabling life-saving medical breakthroughs. Its potential is limitless. This session will simplify complex processes, showcase examples, and highlight innovations shaping the future. Buckle up for an engaging exploration of AI's magic. As the saying goes, AI is not just a tool, it's a new way of thinking. Every AI system begins with data collection. Think of data as the lifeblood of AI. It comes in many forms, from numbers to images. Without quality data, the system simply cannot learn or make intelligent decisions. Fun fact: 2.5 quintillion bytes of data are generated daily. The journey starts with collecting raw data. Think of it as gathering ingredients for a recipe. For example, traffic data helps smart cities optimize traffic flow. Without data, AI can't exist. Imagine trying to build a house with broken bricks. Preprocessing ensures the data we use is clean and organized. This involves removing errors and standardizing formats. Did you know 80% of an AI project's time is spent here? Preprocessing is like cleaning your workspace before starting a project. Did you know? Around 80% of AI project time is spent ensuring data quality, proving the old adage, garbage in, garbage out. Not all data is equally important. Feature extraction identifies the most relevant parts, allowing AI to focus on what truly matters. It's like finding gold in a mine, essential for making accurate predictions. This step is about pinpointing what truly matters. For instance, in facial recognition, extracting edges and shapes helps AI see faces. Precision is key to smarter decisions. Model training is like teaching a child to recognize objects. By showing examples, AI learns patterns. For example, spam detection models identify emails based on keywords and structure. This is where AI comes to life. By training models on data, we teach them to recognize patterns and make decisions. Think of it like teaching a child to solve puzzles using examples and practice. Would you trust an AI without testing it? Model evaluation ensures the AI performs well before deployment. Metrics like accuracy and precision validate its reliability. Evaluation ensures reliability and fairness. It's like testing a car before hitting the road. For instance, we validate loan systems to avoid bias and ensure accurate approvals. This is where AI steps out of the lab and into the world. Deployment integrates AI into systems to deliver real-time predictions. For instance, recommendation engines driving e-commerce sales. Here, AI comes to life. From powering Siri to detecting fraudulent transactions, deployment allows AI to make real-time decisions and deliver value. AI is never truly done. Continuous monitoring ensures the system adapts to changes. It's like upgrading a phone, keeping it relevant and functional. AI is a living system requiring constant care. Regular monitoring and updates prevent performance degradation and keep AI aligned with dynamic goals. In conclusion, AI's journey from data to intelligence is a collaborative dance between technology and human ingenuity. AI's journey is a collaborative effort between data and algorithms. By mastering each step, we unlock the potential for innovation. As Steve Jobs said, innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. Let's lead with AI. Remember, the best way to predict the future is to create it. Let's innovate together. If you found this video informative and enjoyed learning, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. We are constantly bringing you insights and stories about business, technology, and innovation that you don't want to miss. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. Let's spread the knowledge and keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next video.